So good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening, Jersey.
So are you ready for your question?
Yes, I am ready.
Very ready according to her. So please pick your judge number.
Ay, naku, dami na dumadaan.
And it is judge number 6. Mr. Harold Hugo.
Before anything else, I'd like to congratulate the barangay captain here in Dudong, and also to John inviting me. And really matter most to have this kind of pageant because in Pattaya, LGBTQIA+ is well welcomed and accepted in Thailand. And to Kapitan, salamat kayo sa having this kind of pageant. So going back, how are you tonight?